After years, we are back to ITB. This is definitely the leading travel show in tourism, a global one, especially for tourism.
Since Berlin is the biggest showcase of world tourism, it's definitely not only important to be here, but to be also here active. It is important also because last year Slovenian spas achieved 5 more Slovenia Green labels, and we showcase also through this that sustainability is also in the spas very important.
When you go to the ITB, you don't expect a point like Slovenia represents its country, and I think you understand very clear what is the brand I Feel Slovenia about. Why is this land so green, so sustainable?
We are expecting in Slovenia the blooming tourism once again, and I think Slovenia has proven already that it's really dedicated towards the green and sustainable tourism development.